In this video, we're going to show you how to set up a bank account. Right now, we are currently on the property worksheet. But to add your bank account, you first want to hover your mouse on the Banks tab and then click the Bank Center, and you'll end up on this page. And here, you want to click on Add New Bank Account. Once you're there, you want to enter in the bank details. So first is the account name. I'll say that this is an operating account. Next is selecting the account type. We have checking, savings, and credit card. I'll select checking. Next is entering the bank name. I'll say that this is Bank of America. Next is the account holder's name. I'll say that this is the property management company. Right here, we have the tracking date. It's always going to default to the current month, but you can always change that here. And then right here, you want to enter in an opening balance. I'll put in $100. You can add notes by clicking here and then selecting details. Next are allocations. This is an advanced step. For manual allocation, you can allocate the opening balance amount to the respective property. Right below that, you want to put in the billing address tied to this bank account. I'll say that this is 789 Main Street. And of course, you can put in the city, state, and zip code. Then, you can put in an email address. And right next to that, you can put in phone numbers. Right below that, we have the routing and account number. I'll go ahead and enter in some random numbers just for this video. Okay, and right below that, you can check mark this here if you want to enable this account for online payments. Right below that, we have print checks. So, we support pre-printed checks and blank check stock, and 3 checks per page and 1 check per page. You can adjust the printer's check position right here, and you can also select the specific font. Right here, you want to enter the current check number, and here you can also print the payee address. Down here, you can add some notes. So that's everything, so I'll click Save. So now we're on the Bank Center, and on the left, we can see the operating account. The bank balance on the right is $100, and at the top right corner, we have this Bank Details widget. Here we can see the account name, bank name, account holder name, and the contact information tied to it. Now to map this bank account, we will go to the account settings. To get there, simply click here in the top right corner. Select My Account, click Default Bank Account. If you have multiple bank accounts, you can map the bank account to each type of transaction. For example here, you can choose which bank account you would like to receive all income transactions into. The bank account you select here will also be the account that is connected to all owner draws and owner contribution transactions that are recorded. Here you can select or type in the bank account you would like to map for all of your vendor payments for recorded expenses. Next, you can select the bank account you would like to receive all security deposits into. Once completed, you can select Save. You can also map bank accounts at the property level. You can do this when adding a property, or you can add it to an existing property. For this video, we will add to an existing property by going to the Property tab. Then, we will select Property Center. Next, find the property you would like to map the bank account to. Go to Take Actions on the right, then select Edit Property. Once there, select Default Bank Account. Here, you will see the mapping options you can choose from. If you would like to use the default bank account that you have, you can click here for that option. If you have multiple bank accounts, you can specify which bank account you would like to use to either receive payments or make payments for the selected property. You will simply just type here which bank account for the income, which bank account for the expenses, and which bank account for the security deposit collection. If you choose to not map any bank accounts to this property, you can just select None. Once completed, select Save.